We've got a nice pint glass like you would get from a bar, and I will pour this in there. I'm expecting this to drip everywhere. Right? Don't we all agree with that?
Yeah.
It should pour and then drip everywhere. So you should hear the water coming out of the sides and onto the garbage bag. Okay. Okay. And damn, I was really hoping that would split.
Sealed up pretty good, huh?
Yeah, these were apparently pretty good watertight shoes there.
Nice.
Sealed with mozzarella.
Oh my god, okay. All right. Oh, there's some little dusty thing. You know, like when you're here.
It's absorbing. You're stalling.
Okay. Oh, there's stuff floating in the top of it. Stuff is floating. Okay.
Oh,
okay.
yuck.
Okay. Okay.
Chug, 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 chug.
Oh, yeah.
His face is beet red. Oh, he's got the spits.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh man,
I think he's gonna bark.
he might lose it.
Oh my god.
Sounds like he's having trouble breathing.
Are you sure he's not dying?
Oh my god.
Oh, he is so watery. In
Oh
the
my
eyes.
god, that's horrible. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
You okay there, buddy?
It feels... The back of my throat is so numb. Oh my god. I don't know what happened, but like... It was fine, and then it like turned into this weird numbing thing. And now like it feels really hard to like clear my throat out. And then it felt like I was gonna vomit. And then, like I was gonna vomit.
Mm-hmm.